How to change the ringtone on an Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the ringtone on your Android phone. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. Next, tap Sounds and Vibration, Sound Settings, or Sounds, depending on your phone model. Then tap Phone Ringtone or Incoming Call Ringtone. You'll now see a list of available ringtones. Tap on any ringtone to preview it, then select the one you'd like to use. If you want to use a downloaded audio file as your ringtone, tap Custom Ringtone, Add Ringtone, or choose Local Ringtone. Then select the audio file from your device. On dual SIM phones, you can also set different ringtones for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Some Android devices even allow you to assign a custom ringtone to individual contacts. You can also turn vibration on or off from the sound settings if you'd like. That's it! You've successfully changed the ringtone on your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click like, share, and subscribe for more videos.